students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well and good. Today I am going to discuss with you a few questions from Should Wizard Hit Mommy Import? Now, students, let's start. Question number 1. How did the wizard help Roger Skunk? Answer. The wizard asked Roger Skunk what he wanted to smell like. Roger said he wanted to smell like roses. The wizard took his magic wand and chanted a spell, and his whole house was full of the smell of roses. Students, the meaning of spell means hymn or a mantra full of smell of roses. Roger also smelled of roses, and in this way the wizard helped him by making him get rid of his bad smell. Next question, question number 2. How did Joe want the story of Roger Skunk to end? Answer. In the original story, Roger's mommy hit the wizard on the head with an umbrella. So wizard makes Roger smell bad again. Joe wants the story to end the other way round. She wants the wizard to hit on the head of a stupid mummy. She holds Roger's stupid mother responsible for making Roger smell bad again, and so she wants her to be punished. So, students, I hope so you are getting it, because in this story, Roger Skunk, actually other animals do not play with him because of his bad smell. Therefore, he went to the wizard. Wizard told him, wizard, changed his smell like roses. So now he went back to home. At home, Mother Skunk asked, who changed his smell? He told the wizard. So then she took an umbrella with her and hit the wizard with the umbrella. Okay, students, I hope so you must have listened to the story, because a video already is being, uploaded in the school app. So now next story, question number 3. Why did Joe think Roger Skunk was better off with the new smell? Joe thought Roger Skunk was much better off with the new smell, because of which he had been able to find so many friends and played with them happily. For her, Roger Skunk's story should have ended on a happy note with his pleasant smell, because of which he was accepted by the other creatures as their friend. Next question, question number 4. Why was Roger Skunk's mummy angry with him? What did she finally tell him? Answer. Roger Skunk's mummy was angry with him because she did not like her son smelling of roses. Roger Skunk was a skunk, and so he must smell like one. She did not care for the fact that all the other animals kept away from him because he smelled badly. She decided to take him back to that awful wizard so that he could get back his old smell. Next question. How did Joe want the wizard to behave when Mummy Skunk approached him? Answer. Joe does not approve of the idea that Skunk's mother should hit the wizard on his head. She wants, in fact, the wizard to spank stupid mother when she approaches him, as she does not let her son have a new and pleasant smell so that he could befriend the other creatures. Next question. Why did Roger Skunk visit the owl? What did the owl advise him? Answer. Roger Skunk visited the owl, who was a wise creature, to tell him about his pathetic problem and seek his advice on how he could solve it. The wise owl ruminates and advises the skunk to consult the wizard, who was sure to help him overcome his problem. Next question. How did Roger Skunk pay the wizard? Answer. The wizard demands 7 pennies as fee to make Roger Skunk smell like roses. Skunk has only 4 pennies. The wizard tells him how and where to find the rest of the 3 pennies. Roger follows the wizard's instructions and finds the 3 pennies in the magic well and pays the wizard the full amount. Next question. What part of the story did Jack himself enjoy the most and why? Jack enjoyed narrating the part of the story where Roger goes to the wizard's house. He imitated the wizard's voice by scrunching up his face and somehow winning through his eyes. He felt being an old man suited him. He enjoyed the part where he mixed his own childhood humiliations and experiences with the narration of the story. Next question. How does Joe want the story to end and why? Answer. Jo is a child and her perspective is rather different from that of her father. She lives in an idealized world where beauty and love are the supreme rulers. So she wants her father to change the end of the story. She wants that the wizard must take his magic wand and hit Roger's mummy. Roger's mother is evil for Joe, as she made the wizard make Roger smell bad again. So she feels the stupid mummy must be punished. Next question. How did the wizard help Roger Skunk? Answer. The wizard asked Roger Skunk what he wanted to smell like. Roger said he wanted to smell like roses. The wizard took his magic wand and chanted a smell, and his whole house was full of smell of roses. Now Roger smelled of roses, and in this way the wizard helped him by making him get rid of his bad smell. Next question, student. A child perspective is different from an adult's perspective. For Joe, Roger Skunk's mother is wicked and stupid, and she feels rather annoyed with her for making Roger smell bad again. She wanted a happy ending to the story, and so she insists that her father should tell her the story where the wizard should hit mummy in the end. Question number 12. Why did Roger Skunk go in search of the wizard? Answer. Everybody made fun of Roger Skunk because he gave out a bad smell. He was upset about this, so he met the owl, who advised him to go to the wizard, who would help him and give him a good smell. Next question. What did Joe want the wizard to do when Mommy Skunk approached him? Answer. Joe wanted that when Mommy Skunk approached the wizard, he should take the magic wand and hit Mummy over her head, instead of the Mummy taking the umbrella and hitting the wizard over his head. Next question. Why does Joe insist that her father should tell the story with a different ending? Answer. A child's perspective is different from an adult's perspective. For Joe, Roger Skunk's mother is wicked and stupid, and she feels rather annoyed with her for making Roger smell bad again. She wanted a happy ending to the story, and so she insists that her father should tell her the story where the wizard should hit mummy in the end. Question number 15. The same situation can be viewed through two different perspectives. How does should wizard hit mummy? Establish this point through the views of Jack and Joe. Answer. Adults are mature, experienced, and have a practical approach. Their responses are tutored and their actions reflect their thoughts. But children are spontaneous with natural, untutored responses. Joe, a 4-year-old child, prefers to live in a world of dreams and fantasies. She would like to wreak vengeance on Skunk's mother and is annoyed because her father refuses to accept her suggestion. The father has a mature perspective and so he views things beyond the face value and delves into the philosophical and moralistic aspect of the entire situation. The wizard, according to him, had interfered with nature and so observed to be punished. So deserved had interfered with nature and so deserved to be punished. Joe completely disagrees with her father. For her, the baby skunk was right and it made perfect sense if the wizards hit the stupid mummy. Question number 16. Why did Roger Skunk want to change? Roger Skunk smelled so bad that none of the other creatures in the woodland would play with him. Whenever he went out to play, all the other tiny animals would cry and run away, and Roger Skunk would stand there all alone and cry, so he wanted to change. Question number 17. How was the skunk's story different from the other story narrated by Jack? Answer. Joe had never opposed the ending of any other story narrated by Jack. She had never challenged her father's authority and never interrupted his narration earlier. Through this story, Jack wanted to probe that parents always know what is right, but Joe entirely disapproved of the ending of the skunk's story. Question number 18. Why did Roger Skunk go to see the old owl? Answer. Roger Skunk was ignored by his friends because he smelled awful. None of the other little woodland creatures would play with him. So he went to the wise owl to seek a solution for his problem so that he would be accepted by his friends. Question number 19. How does Joe want the story to end? Answer. A child perspective is different from an adult's perspective. For Joe, Roger Skunk's mother is wicked and stupid and she feels rather annoyed with her for making Roger smell bad again. She wanted a happy ending to the story and so she insists that her father should tell her the story where the wizard should hit mummy in the end. Question number 20. Why does Jack insist that it was the wizard that was hit and not the mother? Answer. Jack insisted that it was the wizard that was hit and not the mother because he wanted to prove a point to Joe that the little skunk loved his mother more than he loved all the other little animals, and his mother knew what was right for him. Next question. Why did Roger Skunk go to visit the owl? Answer. Roger Skunk visited the owl, who was a wise creature, to tell him about his pathetic problem and seek his advice on how he could solve it. The wise owl ruminates and advises Skunk to consult with the wizard, who was sure to help him overcome his problem. Next question. Why was Roger Skunk's mother angry? On whom did she pour her anger? Answer. Roger Skunk's mother was angry because the wizard had made her son smell like roses, which was not the way a little skunk should smell. She poured her anger on the wizard and hit him with an umbrella on his head. Next question. Which, which do you think is better ending of Roger Skunk's story? Joe's, her father's? Why? Answer. Student, this question is asked in board exams in 2015. So please see the importance of this question. Ki Joe's father did not want the wizard to hit the mother and wanted the skunk to have its original smell. Her father's ending of the story is better as it is more practical and realistic. Joe is a child and her perspective about the ending of the story is childish and immature. But her father views things on a philosophical level and thus makes his judgment from an adult's perspective. Next question, question number 24. Why did Roger Skunk go to the owl? What advice did he get? Answer. Roger Skunk was ignored by his friends because he smelled awful. None of the other little woodland creatures would play with him. So he went to the old owl, and to seek a solution for his problem so that he would be accepted by his friends. The owl advised him to go and see the wizard. Next question. Why does Joe call the skunk's mummy stupid? Answer. Joe calls the skunk's mummy stupid because the mummy hit the wizard and forced him to make skunk smell bad again. Joe knew now again Roger Skunks would have no friends. Moreover, the wizard was the hero according to Joe, and Roger, see, stupid mummy could not understand why Roger wanted to change his smell. Next question. How did Joe want the skunk story to end and why? Answer. In the original story, Roger's mummy hit the wizard on the head with an umbrella, so the wizard makes Roger smell bad again. Joe wants the story to end the other way round. She wants the wizard to hit on the head of stupid mummy. She holds Roger's stupid mother responsible for making Roger smell bad again, and so she wants her to be punished. For Joe, Roger's mother is wicked and she is very annoyed with her for making Roger smell bad again. Joe is a child who lives in an idealized world which is reigned by beauty and love. So she wants her father to change the story's ending, wherein the wizard should hit mummy with her magic wand and punish her for being stupid. Question number 27. How does Joe react to the skunk's story? Why? Answer. Joe reacts rather strongly to skunk's story. She totally disagrees with the story's ending and wants the wizard to hit skunk's mummy, who Joe thinks is stupid. Question number 28. Why did Joe want the wizard to hit Mummy? Joe wanted the wizard to hit Mummy because she had hit the wizard and made him change Roger Skunk's smell back to a foul one. Joe wanted Roger Skunks to smell like roses to that so that he got the liberty to choose his own way and befriend other creatures. Question number 29. How did Jack try to convince his daughter that his ending of the story was the best? Answer. To convince Joe that his ending of the story was the best, Joe told her that Jack told her that a mother decision should be honored. Roger Skunk became happy later as he loved his mother more than he loved the other animals. The mother wanted his son to be what he actually is, and later the other animals too got adjusted to his smell and befriended him. Next question: what was basic plot of each story told by Jack? Answer: the basic plot of each story told by Jack was about a smell. A small creature, usually named Roger. He had some problems and went with it to the wise old owl. The old owl would tell the owl would tell him to go the wizard, and the wizard performed a magic spell that solved the problem and then demanded payment in pennies. Next question: having got rid of his stink means smell, students. What problem did Roger Skunk face? After having got rid of his stink, Roger Skunk did not have the required 7 pennies to pay the wizard who had helped to solve his problem. He had only 4 pennies, and so when the wizard demanded नहीं है seven video 7 pennies, Roger Skunk began to cry. So students, what problem did Roger Skunk face when he went to play with his friends? How did he solve it? Roger Skunk smelled so bad that none of the other creatures of woodland would play with him. Whenever he would go out to play, all the other tiny animals would cry and run away. He solved his problem by going to the owl, who sent him to the wizard, who, with his magic spell, made Roger Skunk smell of roses. What is Mother Skunk's role in the story? Mother Skunk's role in the story is to make her son understand that it was important for him to retain his identity. She was absolutely against the idea that Roger Skunk should have changed his smell to please and befriend other creatures. She wanted the other creatures to accept her son as he was. How did Joe want the story to end? Why? A child's perspective is different from the adult's perspective. For Joe, Roger Skunk's mother is wicked and stupid, and she feels rather annoyed with her for making Roger smell bad again. She wanted a happy ending to the story, and so she insists that her father should tell her the story where the wizard should hit Mummy in the end. So students, now the other questions are like these questions. So I am finished the important questions answer, and you can write, note down the answers. है ना? Slowly I am scrolling, और I hope so कि you will note down these question and answer and learn it, and do the best in your exams. So students, with this I conclude this video. Thank you very much for watching and listening. I hope so. Ki if any kind of problem, if you have faced, so you will write me and you will make a call to me. And thank you very much for listening and watching this video, and have a good day.